Hello students, today I am going to explain you what is adjectives and what are degrees of comparison. Okay, so let's come to this topic. What is adjective? Adjectives are nothing but the words that describes or qualifies noun are called adjectives. What do you understand by describe? Describe means it says about the properties of a noun. Okay, it is describing means suppose there is a hill, the hill is very high, so here high is adjective. Suppose it is said that the color of the pen is red. What? The color of the pen is red. So what is the color of the pen? It is red. So red is describing the color of the pen. Here red is called adjective. Okay, similarly here see we are seeing one example. That example is sunny June brings longest day. What? Sunny June brings longest day. So the word sunny is describing what? The month June. Brings the longest day. Longest is describing day. Okay, so June is noun, day is noun. This June is explained by the word sunny, and day is described by the longest. Okay, longest day. So here longest and sunny are called adjectives. Similarly here, how is the month December? Cold and bleak. Therefore cold and bleak are called adjectives. Okay, similarly here we can see the month of October is rough. What? The month of October is rough. Rough is being means December is being described as rough. So what are the adjectives here? The adjectives are the words that are describing nouns. Okay, these adjectives are called quality. Adjectives of quality. Okay, they are describing the quality of the noun. Okay, how it is longest, sunny, cold, bleak, rough. These are explaining the quality of the noun. Next we will move to adjectives of quantity. Quantity means what? Quantity means number. Okay, but the numbers that cannot be explained. Suppose if I ask you that how many hairs are there on your head, so can you count your hairs? No. Okay, so such quantities are called such examples are called quantity. But if I ask you how many pens are there in your box, pencil box, so you can count and say me that it is 5 or 10 pens are there in your box. So that type of quantity is called adjectives of number. Okay, in which we count. The numbers in which we count are called adjectives of number, and the adjectives that we cannot count, okay, are called quantity. Suppose milk. Can you count milk? You cannot count milk. Okay, can you count water? You cannot count water. So in that case we will use much. How much? Okay, we will use the word much. Or less or more, we are using such as. Suppose here we are seeing the examples. Look here, we have enough money to buy the tickets. We have enough money. Enough, is it a number? No, it is a quantity. Similarly, is there less pollution in the city now? Less, is less a number? No, it is a quantity. Okay, so quantities are, examples of quantities are less, more, enough, enough, then anything else, less, more, enough, and then huge. Huge is not a quantity. Less, more, enough, then smooth is there, like we will have more quantity. Example, full, less, full is an example of quantity. Okay, quantity of adjectives. So I hope you are clear about the term adjectives. Okay, there are three types of adjectives: quality adjective, quantity adjective, and number adjective. So hope you can understand this concept and do question number 8. Next we will come to positive degree. What? Positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Look here, positive degree. Positive degree means what? Hari is quick learner. This quick is called positive. When we want to compare, means we will use quicker. Okay, or if it is superlative degree means the most superior, the best. Okay, so quickest, he is the quickest. So before this quickest we are using the. He is the quickest. Always remember, I am not saying that Nalini is a quicker. Nalini is a quickest. I am not saying that. Nalini is the quickest. So the will come before quickest. Okay. Similarly, look at the second example. This is a comfortable chair. What? The chair is comfortable. So we cannot say comfortabler. No, that is wrong. We will say more comfortable. So we can notice that we are using quicker, we are using more. The word more. Okay, when? While comparing. What? Comparing. That is the reason it is said comparative. Comparative means what? We are comparing two or more things. Okay, we are comparing between two things. Now, the chair over there is the most comfortable. Is the. Look the word the. So, in superlative degree, we are using the word the. Okay, we are using the before most comfortable or before the quickest. And in comparative degree, we are comparing. Sam is quicker than Hari. Comparing between two things. Okay. And positive degree is nothing but Hari is quick learner. It is just a simple formation of the sentence. Okay. So hope you are clear about this concept. Now let's see the examples. Let's see question number G. This library is it is said the, so we can understand it will be superlative. Okay. The. So famous we can write as most famous. Okay. So this library is the most famous building in the town. Rabia is the, again look at this particular the. So the means superlative. The fastest. Fast, it cannot be most fast. The most fast swimmer, no, it is wrong. It will be Rabia is the fastest swimmer in the school team. Okay. So remaining 3, 4, 5 you do by yourself. In next class we will continue the next chapter. Thank you. Take care.